All right, so what you saw there was an advanced progression to our dead bugs. Using the kettlebells, the difference in having individual weights in your hands kind of makes that you have to be more integrated, you have to be more tense through the lats. But what we want to do before we even approach something like that is look at our first fundamental dead bug. Using our ultimate sandbag here, I want to make sure I'm holding on to the outside handles, my arms straight, and I need to make sure all 10 digits are grabbed onto that bag and pulling hard. Remember, no saggy bag. From here, as I hold the bag up over my sternum, I'll kick, I'll drive the one leg out, and I need to actively pull that leg back in as I switch over to the other side. Now, a lot of people can do pretty good with that, and they're wondering, what's the next level? So after that, we're going to look at some rotation, because that's going to set the stage for a further progression. So as I simultaneously turn the bag, as I'm kicking that leg out, pushing against that wall, what I'm experiencing is that lat connection here and my hip connection over there. Bring it back in, pull it hard, over to the other side. So what I really do enjoy with those dead bugs here using the ultimate sandbag are the lifts and chops, because that's really going to set the stage for a good core integration, core strengthening through the shoulder, through the core, through the hips. So the first progression on that is going to be taking the ultimate sandbag up top, drawing that 45-degree angle. So I want to see this line all the way in shoulders to the core, into the hips, a nice diagonal line, and I'm continuing to pull hard on that top handle. There goes my rotation that I practiced earlier. Notice the tension on that front hand as I extend. Now, it might look like a simple progression, but taking our ultimate sandbag downtown is going to be more intense, and I'm going to show you why. As I take that angle, drive to that leg, I'm going to be really heavy on that right side, so my left hip wants to come off the ground. So right there, I've got to make sure that I've got full tension as I bring it back, keep the handles tight, see those arms. No bend in the elbows as I drive that leg back and up. What I really do enjoy about taking that bag downtown to the lifts and chops is the carryover it has for one of our DBRT Big Six exercises, the max lunge. Pull those handles apart. Notice, just like I did for the dead bug, I'm pulling those handles apart as I take that leg down. So that whole thing, I'm heavy on this side, so we're connecting what we call that anterior oblique sling system, obliques, adductors, all that good stuff, so that you can get stronger to go to that max lunge. Max lunge, dead bugs, all that stuff. You're welcome.